Hey up everybody, how's it going? It's Dino here. I'm just about to start the second leg of my Thailand trip. I woke up this morning aching all over and I also had a little bit of a headache, so I just took it easy for the last hour. So today I've got two options. I can either ride 35 kilometers to the next major city or I can continue onward to the coast. Ideally I'd like to do the second one, but I see how I feel. It's quite hot out there today and it's only my second day back at cycling. I'm not very fit. I hope to be a lot fitter by the end of the tour, but at the moment I need to take it easy. So if it's only 35 kilometers today, that's fine. If we're at the beach, it'd be nicer. Okay? I'll fill you with some stuff as we go along. Let's go and get the bike. So this is today's journey, about 8 kilometers in. I'll just show you around in a second, other than to say that it's not the nicest of cycling. So this is the 35. I've got to take this for about another 50 kilometers. I'm hoping it gets better very soon and the side road opens up again, because it's not a lot of fun. So after about 22 kilometers of awful cycling along the number 35, which is a little bit like a motorway, I finally found a quiet road. I got about 17 kilometers to go to the next town and that will do me. I'm not going to push onto the beach today because I've got a few saddle sores coming through and the Brooks saddle is very unforgiving at the moment. So I'm going to get a bite to eat in a few minutes. I'm about halfway to my destination. So just stopped here by the paddy fields for a little bite to eat. Hello. Pork blue. Egg. In Thai? Thai. Blue guy. So 57 kilometers, I've finally made it. I'm at a resort about 10 kilometers north of Sukin Songkla. So it's not too shabby. Same as anything really. Flat screen TV, aircon, fridge, bed, and a bathroom. So this place is called Nung Ni Bangkonti, and it cost me 800 baht per night. I'm paying a little bit more than I want to at the moment, but I just want to get going, so I'm not that bothered at the moment. And so begins day 3. This is the place I stayed at last night. So it's got a nice little river. I've seen lots of kingfishers and egrets and herons. It's been a nice little spot. I'm just going to do about 22 kilometers today. I did far too many yesterday and I'm feeling it, but I still want to move on just a little bit further south. So 22k to do. Here we go. I made it after 22 kilometers to this little motel. Now this one costs 500 baht per night, so it's a lot better value and a lot more like what I want to be paying. I'll just show you what you get for 495 baht in Thailand. So you just get a simple little studio room, plenty of room for the bike, that's the main thing. Most places in Thailand let you inside with a bike. There's a few don't, especially the more expensive places, but most cycle tourists don't particularly go to them anyway. So yeah, this is a 495 baht room.